In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop temporary threads in Perplexity AI from being deleted automatically. If you've ever had important threads disappear after 14 days, I'm here to guide you through a simple process to make your discussions permanent. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google. Once there, type Perplexity AI into the search bar and hit enter. This will help us find the official Perplexity website, which is the platform where we'll be taking action. Now, from the search results, click on the official Perplexity website link to enter their homepage. Once you're on the Perplexity website, we're going to look for an option called Spaces. Spaces is a feature that allows you to save and organize your threads without worrying about them being automatically deleted. Click on Spaces to proceed. Now, to create a space where your threads can be safely stored, you'll need to click on Create New Space. This will open up a new window where you can set up your personal space. You'll be prompted to give your new space a name. You might want to call it something like My Files, which is simple and easy to remember. Following this, you should provide a short description for your space. A description like safekeeping key threads and conversations to prevent auto-deletion succinctly captures the purpose of your space. Having set up your space, it's time to save your threads. Head back to the home page by clicking Home. From there, you'll see an option labeled View All. Clicking this will display all your current threads. This is where we'll choose which threads we want to make permanent. Go through your list and select the threads you'd like to save. Once you've made your selections, look for the 3 dotted line icon, which typically represents additional options or settings. Click this icon and then select Add to Space. You'll be given the option to choose one of your spaces, so select My Files or the name you assign to your space. After moving your selected threads to your space, click on My Files. To confirm that everything has been correctly saved, you'll see all your chosen threads neatly organized within this space. By following these steps, your threads will now be permanent, safe from the 14-day automatic deletion policy. You'll find it much easier to organize, access, and reference your conversations in Perplexity AI. Enjoy your newfound control over your data, and thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.